Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Fee, and today we are going to be cooking pasta, and yeah, let's do this. Okay? Yeah, we have our pasta, our minced meat, beef minced meat. We have parsley, our seasoning, butter, yeah, and other seasoning. This is our cheese, onions, chives, and some Italian herb. Yeah, so we're gonna be using all those ingredients. Yeah. Yeah, now guys, we have our cooked beef, minced beef, and our pasta. It's over here, and all the other ingredients. So we're gonna go and we're gonna mix all in the whatever. So here is our oil we put in the hot pot already. We want to put a lot of oil. Juu nyama ilikuwa na mafuta hivi, so hatutaki ikuwe na mafuta mingi. Alafu tuchukue onion zetu, tugoje mafuta kwanza, tere maguta mahiũhe. Shoke twikire gatunguru gaito gitumi gya gweterera maguta mahiũhe nigetha gitunguru giki gitigatwike soge ndio ikue crispy githungu na kiri gana kia. Hey, and can you please go to can you tell me where you unaonea hii video wapi? Uko Kenya, uko Australia, ama uko which part of the world? Ningetaka tu kujua nijue hii video inafika hadi wapi. Yeah, so I think our oil now is hot. Gatunguru gaito gakihia. It's a mixture of red onion and I think white onion. Sijajua the difference anyway. Nani anajua the main difference ya kitunguu ya red na white? Sijui kama ni taste ama whatever. Anyway, napenda ile ya red onion. Here our seasoning. It's always good to cook our seasoning ndio itoe hiyo kakitu kamzuri hiyo. Unajua? Hiyo paste ndio hii. Alafu tuipike for like 2 minutes pia. Tupike hii whatever for 2 minutes. Ouch. Hiyo ikishaiva tuongezee our minced meat. Already eat. Ukisha frame your whatever, your minced meat. Now tuweke pasta. Wait a minute. Tuweka baji moto. Endelea kuiva. And tuweke our butter last. Kama imemelt already. Alafu tuweke chives and some Italian herbs. Hii ni kupea 2 colors to the pasta. You put the cheese. This is parmesan and mozzarella mix. Just put it on top. Mix it yummy. Au sitawaekea hao wawili hawapendi cheese, so that's optional. Kama unapenda, hii ni yangu, mimi napenda cheese. And then you have the parsley. Yeah, that's it. So thank you guys for cooking with me, and thank you always for your support. Hope you like this video. Share with your friends, and please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do, and I really do appreciate you. So thank you guys, and until next time, bye bye. Let's feel how this food went. Actually, it's very nice. You should try it. So bye bye guys, and thank you very much. I do really appreciate it. Bye. Cheers.